This first one is called Don't Feed the Birds. How many of you guys are from Florida by the beach? Woo! Yep, me too. How many of you guys see the tourists feed the birds? They're crazy. That's right, and that's what this song is about. Not feeding the birds. It's got this like lunch feel like back to Nirvana days. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. And if the locals say otherwise, they'll steal your girlfriends and your wives. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. It's not quite strange and some deranged on how this story goes. About a man beached on the sand with water at his toes, feeding the seagulls from the sky. Seagulls then turned and ate the guy. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. And if the locals say otherwise, they'll steal your girlfriends and your wives, all five. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. Beach Brenda May, one lovely day was getting a suntan. Birds from the sky came from up high, swan diving at the sand, like something from a Hitchcock scene. The birds eat human anything. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. And if the locals say otherwise, they'll steal your girlfriends and your wives, all nine. Don't feed the birds, they'll eat your eyes. Don't play with squirrels, they'll drive you nuts. You chase for tails, catch scrapes and cuts. That's not a cow with clams that's shut. No. Don't play with squirrels, they'll drive you